6:22 on your Monday morning. What's driving you crazy? If you were really upset with NDOT about Project Neon in the Spaghetti Bowl. It's kind of a long email, so let's get right into David's message. He writes, NDOT has managed to do what he calls a major screw-up, which he says could be fatal for drivers. If you're driving on the South 95 toward Phoenix at I-15, the left 3 lanes have a major lane shift to the left. He says NDOT built that highway rising up into a hill and that they created a blind spot and a major lane shift right in the blind spot. The old lanes still embedded in the pavement, given the false illusion the highway continues straight. And he says, I travel this every day. I've almost been involved in many accidents. NDOT should, at the absolute minimum, be responsible to paint arrows on the sign above, warning the approaching drivers of the drastic lane change to the left. Well, David, I sent your note over to Tony Ilya at NDOT, and here's what he wrote back. He says Project Neon restriped the 95 southbound to provide an additional lane while I-15 was reduced during the construction season last year. But he says this summer Project Neon will repave this section of the 95, including Spaghetti Bowl ramps, to eliminate ghost striping and improve the merging from the 15. And he says NDOT works with its contractors to refresh existing striping to ensure safety on the freeway. David, I hope this helps. Appreciate your concern and taking the time to write in. All of us should be aware of road markings and nearby signage whenever, wherever we get behind the wheel, maybe even more so in construction areas. Buckle up, drive carefully, put down that phone. If something's driving you crazy, email me, traffic@lasvegasnow.com.